Hello, welcome back to Fisher Picks. Today we're going to revamp the middle tank. I don't like it anymore. We're going to redo it. So join me while I do it. So as you can see, there's plenty of room, but it doesn't really look very good. There is two bits of wood in there, but you can't see it. There's one at the back. There's one piece here. It's all fell down. So we're going to rescape it. We're going to pull everything out. Let's do this. So let's take everything out. Lead out first. Sorry, the plant. This out first. Let's see what we're working with. There's the first piece of wood. I'm just going to leave all the plants on for now. See what we can do. Mess. All the plants up slowly. We'll leave the plants there. And one can come out. We'll just get the rocks. Try not to stir too much up. Now we're going to take some of the water out and do a little bit of a water change. Get out. Start fresh. You can see what we're doing then. That's now popped right up. That's that done. Next thing is get some tissue, wipe the glass. Let's have a look. Plants, how's it looking? It's clearing. It's getting there. Right, I've got to put these plants back in. Right, so what we got? Middle. Yeah, look alright. I know the plant's got a lot of algae on it, but that'll die off, hopefully. We're looking updates. So now I made a nice island in the middle with the rocks and the wood. we'll see what happens, what it looks like when it's clear. What I'm going to do is just clear up, and then we'll, like I said, we'll wait for it to clear a little bit, and then we'll have a look. Right, so welcome back. This is the update after the change. I stirred up a lot of the mong, what was all on the floor. It's all on the plant, so I got to put my hand in and just waft it towards the filter so that it's dirty. But the Black Phantoms love it. Love the new sound. I think that's okay. That's a bit overgrown already. I put all the plants back in, but I'll change this properly and buy new plants and everything when I move. But that needed a change. And well, the fish seems to like it anyway because it can go right around the back now. But the problem is all the snails, because I disturbed everything. All the snails are all over the rock, as you can see. Look, and all down here. But the only thing is, I got 2 clown loochers in here. Ooh, and one of the bronze cories. I think that's the female because every time I do a water change, she breeds. So. Yeah, just got to get rid of some of the mong, and the neons love it over in that corner now. But anyway, back to what we said. Yeah, so the Black Phantoms love it at the front here now, and they stay at the front. So yeah, the clown loochers will eat all these snails, so that ain't too bad. But like I said, I've scraped the glass because there's all horrible brown mong everywhere. Yeah, so. That was successful, didn't take long, no fish was stressed, no fish died. I just took my time taking everything out, a little bit of a water change, cleaned the filters, and let it calm down. Over time that'll all clear. So see you on the next one.